Let's see if we can make 50 quid.
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If this is your first time here, the overgrown child, that is the Scruffy trader. What I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. Now, I'm going to flip the charts on because I'm about to go into market. And it's kind of ready to pop an order in now. So I'm just going to drop that in. And it's only for 10 pips. There we go. To get up onto the bridge of here. Now, when we look at this, actually that's just see if it'll surge onto that. Get a little bit extra. Oops. Right, we're in. Onto there, rather. Okay, sorry about that. What I'm doing is I'm kind of backing up a sheet that I've just put up. I like to tell the scruffs what I'm doing before I do it. Now, I was looking at another market earlier on. If I just pull this down just while that's in the background, and then I'll go through that trade. We all have a little bit of a merriment and a chat. And they were complaining, actually, about my music. This is no good. Because apparently Mouth and McNeil is no good. And Joanne is kicking off because I like to do Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Fantastic. Play this record. Middle of the road. Tweedledee, Tweedledum. What have you got to say for yourself? She's buggered off downstairs. She's been having a go at me all morning about this. Terrible. But I need them to calm my mind down. Stop me getting in the markets too early. That's why I like a sing-song. Now, earlier on, talking of which, I've done a breakdown of the Euro CAD. And while I was looking at the Euro CAD, I'm working out my strengths and everything. This is a good trade for later today. But in the here and now, what has come up is Euro dollar. So this is telling me that the Euro CAD is a risky buy. So I'm going to leave that alone for an hour or so. But it brought up that that was ready, because we're looking at euro. So what we're doing now is we're following that up, and as you can see, it's back in, it's in profit. So why do I like it? What is the interest in this so early? Well, it's actually that drive there, because what you can see is the drive has come down, it's bottomed out, it tried to push up, which you would expect in a sustained drive. It slammed down, but look, it didn't breach the low. And then the buyers came back in and started pushing back up. Now, that's a good sign that there's a bit of pressure or some profit trading. Either way, it's going to push into the levels. Now, the first place it's going to stall, as you can see with this candle here, is the top of that, which is about 10 pips, 50 quid. And then up into here is a reasonable target. So anything over there I'm happy with. I'll be taking profits at around this point. So what I'll do is I'll put a little dotted line on. Just across kind of there. There we are. Because on my trading screen, I don't really look at the P&L. I have a tendency to switch it off. Why? Just so it doesn't sway my decision, and then I just check it periodically as the candles close. That's the idea. Unless I'm on something like the DAX, and then I'm in and I'm out, and I'm in and I'm out very quick. But this is a relatively slower market, so I just want to let it play out. Okay. So if I drop this down into, say, a 5-minute chart, we can now see what we're looking at. And once I get above this line, pull some money, try and get it to there, because that's the next stall point. Breaks through there, it's going up here. But this is just a quick trade for me, guys. I just want to get in, grab some money, and kind of help me set away and just keep building up the pot. A little bit like what you saw me doing yesterday. Okay, so let's run it out and I'll catch you soon. Okay, guys, job's done. Hit my 10 pips. It's been a bit dickery. There we are, 50 quid. And I just set a target in to rock and roll. Now, I have got cable running as well. And we're going to flick onto that. So let me show you for why. If I just flick this over, it has come up as a sell, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting orders in, and I'll look at that as well. So if you go on to social media later on today, you'll see my results, but at the moment everything's pretty good. I'm very pleased with the way everything is running on this account. And that's one of the things. Never be worried about your trades. You know, get in, get out, get paid. That's what you do on a day trade. On a swing trade, you set your parameters out, but you're doing the same thing, but it's a little bit more peaceful. Still going from level to level, just the target is that little bit bigger. And, well, that's just trading in a nutshell, guys. I find it really hard at the moment because everybody looks for the magic pill and they think that you get the big swinger all the time, because that's what the clowns always kind of tell you. No, it's just a job. Get in, get paid, rinse, repeat, do it again. And then you'll find that your win rate is quite high. And not only is your win rate high, as long as you control your stability, in other words, your mindset, and know how to get out when you're wrong, your bank balance will be quite high as well. Anybody that's telling you need a win rate less than 50% is just a fucking idiot. They genuinely are. And I'll guarantee they'll sell you a course. I'll guarantee it. And why is that? Because it's the best sales hook in the world. You are shit, but you're still going to make money. Absolute bollocks. Sorry, I've had a right merry mare this morning with some of them, but just the way it is. You know, I still hold my challenge any day, any chart. Not taking me up on it. Anyway, there you go. Catch you all soon, guys. So as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.